Shutter speed is how long the shutter is open. So right now my camera is in bulb, which means it will be open as long as I hold the shutter down. So I hold the shutter button down, opens, stays open, stays open, stays open until I let it go, and then it closes. So that's how long the light will be connecting with the image sensor. You can change that. Right now I'm in manual mode. You can change that with this dial here. So you can see here at the end it's bulb, which is as long as you hold it open, and then we start going for shorter and shorter time. So that's 6 seconds. So 6 with the 2 lines after it is 6 seconds, which is also very long. And here we have 1/10 of a second. And the fastest this camera will go is 1/4000th of a second. So that's really fast. So when you're hand holding the camera, the slowest you really want to go is about 1/80th of a second. Otherwise, you get what's called camera shake, because when we breathe and our hearts beat, the camera moves a little bit, and then you get a blurry image. So the slowest you want to go is 1/80th of a second. So that's what this sounds like. So it's still fairly fast. So anything from 1/80th up to 1/4000th of the second is fine for handheld. Slower than that, you want to use a tripod. So if it's a 1-second exposure, definitely put your camera on a tripod. If it's a 5-second exposure, you need a tripod. If it's 1/10 of a second, you need a tripod. Otherwise, you will get motion blur. So you can change your shutter speed in manual mode using this dial, and you see on the back of the camera, second box on the top row, it will look like a fraction, or it will be a number with 2 lines after it, like quotation marks. That's the basics of shutter speed.